Well, hello everybody. How's everybody doing? Birds are here, they're eating. Yeah, we're having quite a little snowstorm here. The winds are I'm on my way to the barn. And I figured I'd take you all for a walk. I want to look at my antennas, of course, and a few other things. So don't mind me if I spin that way instead. And hard to tell how much snow we got because the wind has been blowing it pretty good. I want to tell you to turn down your volume right now if you can. And, I don't know if we lost the lens due to the amount of wind and snow drift. Well, the antennas are all there. Doesn't that make me happy today? Let me see if I can get you up there a little bit. Yeah, they're all there. I have no idea the temperature. My wind gauge, as far as the speed, if we can see it there, it froze like a rocket as it moved. I'm looking at the lights coming on and off over here, and I don't know. Beautiful though, isn't it? So there's a little lull in the wind. I suspect it's been up over 40-mile-an-hour gusts easily. Alright, let me turn this off and get them horses fed.